Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make vegetable samosas. So let's get started. I've got here 4 medium potatoes which I have peeled, cut into small pieces, soaked it in some water for 10 minutes and drained it. 2 medium carrots cut into small pieces. 1 cup of frozen green peas. 1 cup of water. 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, or you can use Amchur or dry mango powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. To make the samosa filling, place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 10 seconds. Add ginger and garlic paste, give it a mix and cook it until it gets a light brown color. Add potatoes, carrots, peas, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, turmeric, salt and water. Give it a mix, cover it, lower the heat and cook it for 20 minutes or until the water is absorbed, stirring it frequently. After 20 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. You can add salt according to your taste. It doesn't need any more salt. Add lemon juice or amchur powder. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. Take the filling out in a dish and let it cool down. For my samosa dough, I've got here 2.5 cups of plain flour which I have sifted, half cup plus 2 tablespoons of water, 5 tablespoons of oil, or you can use ghee, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. To make the samosa dough, take a flour, add salt, take carom seeds in your palm and crush it into the dish to release the flavor. Add oil and rub it well into the flour using your fingers. Now add water little by little and knead it into a stiff dough. If you need extra water, then use 1 tablespoon of water at a time and knead it until it all comes together. Cover the dough with a dish or a clean tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will also need some water to stick our samosas. Roll the dough into a log and divide it into 8 equal sized pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and flatten it. Take 1 flattened ball, roll it into a small roti and then roll it up and down until you get an oval shape. You can always apply a little bit of oil on the rolling board if the dough is sticky. Cut it in half, place the cut side up, apply some water on the cut side halfway on the top, overlap the 2 sides to form a cone and press it to seal. Take the cone in your hand with the same side facing you, fill it with the potato stuffing, put a pleat at the back, apply some water on the top edge on one side only, and press it firmly to seal. Put it on a plate and repeat this process. Leftover samosa filling can be kept in the fridge and used within 5 days. I have finished making up all my samosas. Now it's time to fry them. To fry the samosas, heat some oil on low heat for 5 minutes. Add samosas and let them cook for 2 minutes before turning them frequently so they can cook evenly. Fry the samosas for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden and crispy. Take them out and drain them on some paper towel. My vegetable samosas are ready and you can serve them on its own or with some sauce or tamarind chutney. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.